Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.
That Nigerians, the youth, the women, and people of thoughts are urging me and asking me to run for presidency in 2023. These are the wishes and aspirations of Nigerians, urging me to run. And I have said that in the days to come, weeks and days ahead, I am going to give a resounding response to these overwhelming majority voices across the length and breadth of Nigeria. And I did promise that I will not disappoint Nigerians. When we give our resounding response to the yearnings and aspirations of Nigeria, and by the grace of God, by the time God crowned our success, our effort with huge success, surely Nigeria will never be the same again. That is number one. I am an advocate of youth, women, vibrant, credible, patriotic Nigerians coming on board to give leadership, purposeful and sincere leadership to this country from all walks of life, from nooks and crannies of this country. By the time we jettison all those mundane issues that divides us, and we embrace and propagate and promote that which unites us, I believe that Nigeria is going to be better for it. That is exactly what we are doing in Kogi State. Kogi is more united, more secure, and we look at ourselves as one. That can be replicated in Nigeria. And that is why at all times I always urge Nigerians not to listen to ethnic champions, not to listen to religious bigots, not to listen to corrupt leaders. We have records. Nigerians are smart enough to be able to dig into those who are patriotic, who are sincere, who are not just playing politics with people's lives and livelihood, and let those ones come on board and lead and serve Nigeria along with us. Surely, 2023 is a date that Nigeria's fortunes will be turned around. Mr. President is doing his best, and we at our various units now, we are doing our best to equally support Mr. President, and we know that Nigeria will never divide or separate. Thank you. When the time comes, and when God gives us the grace, and we get there by the grace of God, surely I am an advocate of who can serve this country the best. Currently in my administration in Kogi State, I have a Southeasterner serving in my state. Specifically my DG Research and Development, who doubles as my speechwriter, Barrister Moses Okeze, is from Anambra State, serving in Kogi State. I think where you come from should not matter in the service of this nation. The religion you practice should not matter. The creed you belong to, the class you belong to should not matter. What should matter most is the content that is contained in you, your stuff. What do you have to offer this country? To secure this country, lives and livelihood, to unite this country, to make sure that Nigerians are respected not only at home, but abroad. Our green passport should be number one, should be respected across the world. Who is going to enhance that? We have demonstrated that in Kogi State. We have united ourselves. Any Kogi citizen anywhere in the country today is proud to be a citizen of Kogi State. Anywhere a citizen of Kogi State is today, you are proud and you hold your head high that you are from Kogi State. That is what we should replicate across the country, and not where you come from. So I want to believe that when the time comes Nigerians will see reasons. Of course, already they are calling on me that I should come and run. Just a little time, I've asked them to relax and let the time comes. When the time comes, it's going to be overwhelming. It is going to be a hope. The 1993 hope that we had dashed shall be revived and actualized in 2003. The insecurity in the country today, I will not look. Let me give you one clarification. There is a wrong perception about certain things that are happening in this country. The insecurity as we have it today, I will refer to it as political instability, because majority of the insecurity we are witnessing today are as a result of politics purely. Let's call spade a spade. Now, when we shall answer the call of Nigerians to serve this nation, first strategy is to make sure that I am fair, just, and equitable. And I will ensure that all are inclusive. From which part of the country you might come from, religion you might practice, or your class. What is important is what you have to offer. And once there is that sense of justice, fairness, and equity in the land, insecurity will automatically drop to the barest minimum. Then the rest we shall follow. Thank you. That is why I said that it is purely political. And most of the time, I usually hinge it on the elites. We don't seem to be saying the truth to our people. Mr. President is just one out of the various leaders we have in this country. We have 36 states. We have ministers. We have 774 local government chairmen. We have traditional rulers. We have religious leaders. We have community leaders and various other leaders and elites across this country. Mr. President is just one. And by the time all of us realize that we can't heap the whole blame on Mr. President, we all have fair share, and then come down and fix this country, because this country is the only country we have, then the better for all of us. Mr. President is doing his own. If Mr. President can bail out every state, irrespective of the party you belong, then that cannot be ascribed to be Mr. President's failure. Here in Kogi State, we are secured, we are safe. All the leaders, as I mentioned, in Kogi State are doing their best. And today I'm claiming the credit. Let everybody across the country do their job, and Nigeria is going to be better for it. Thank you.